Hello, I'm going to show you how to put the ceramic tile on the wall. So this is area is for the kitchen and flash. So I will put the ceramic tile with other adhesive, professional adhesive. So this is the board. I bought adhesive. So I use the one is a square one. Okay. It's a triangle one, see the notch. It's a little bit small, okay. And with spacing is 1/8, okay. So I put adhesive because the adhesive is pre-made adhesive. I don't need using mortar. So this is adhesive. So the tile is just glue it on the wood. So the wood has to be fine. So I'm going to put it now. I'll show you. So I think it's much easier than you put the tile on the floor because you need using the mortar, okay, mixed mortar. So see, there's one here. I just using, see. You spread this adhesive on the back of the ceramic tile, and using the notch, triangle notch, and to scratch additional away. Okay, you can do the straight or horizontal. Okay. Okay, then you wipe out extra additional on the side, and you put this one. Okay, see. Okay, the notch. Okay, the ceramic tile. So on here, and you put the spacing first on here, and you put on here. And you glue on the wall, okay. And there's a spacing, okay. And you just stick. That's it. Then you can continue to follow the line, okay. Hope you enjoy and learn something. So this is a pre-mixed the tire grout. Special is a long sand, the grout. This is for the wall and the gap. The tire gap is lower than 3 millimeter. So this is the one we need to fill up for the gap. Long sand grout.